I came to report my mom. She was kidnapped by Hamas. I have a movie that someone sent me from a Telegram group, Gaza Now. She was kidnapped with her husband and two neighbors from Kibbutz Be'eri. And I guess they're in Hamas now, in Gaza.
אני הגעתי ליחידה כאן ללהב 33 בשביל לתת דגימות DNA, בשביל לחפש את אחותי. אחותי מאתמול ב9, הוא נתקע קשר, אנחנו יודעים שהיא עלתה על אמבולנס, לא יודעים לאן היא הגיעה, מתי היא הגיעה.
She was in the party with friends. After the shooting began, they got into the car and ran away. But she was injured by a shooting. We know that she was in the ambulance, but we don't know where is she now.
If any leaders in the world that maybe see this TV, maybe they see this news, and they hear all these terrible stories, please involve. Please, it's a human. It's not about politics, it's not about all kind of issues. It's not Arabic and Israelis and Jews. It's really about humanity. The kids are there. Its civils are there. Please help them to come out. Please, please.